this session, we'll learn about Express project. Here is the icon. Just click on Express project. You'll get a notification. Just close it. See, you can see a few template. One of them you can just drag to the timeline and see what happens. You can see our 3 of the video track get filled when you drag it. It's nothing but it's kind of a template where you have a title designer where you can, for a video, if you want to start a video, you can start it with a pure graphical way with this help of this Express project and in a faster way. So here you can just double click and drag and make the changes over here. It's simple as we explained already before. You can just drag and make the changes. If not, you can just close it. And here we'll try to change the title. Just double click on it and we'll change the title of our own. Once it get opened, so now we'll change the title. I'll just, as it's just for demo, I'll just put hi, hello, and how are you. And after that you just click on OK. Once it's done, what changes we can make is we'll just remove this background and we'll put our own background. We'll just remove this. Either we can import any background or we can select a background from PowerDirector itself. I'll just drag and drop one background here and let's see how it plays. You can see it's a beautiful way to create an intro. So we'll just drag it and fix exactly to the template. And let's check the output now. Beautiful, right? So it's so simple. We can make an easy and beautiful introduction with this Express project option. So we do have another few template. We can even try that if you want. It's so easy to create. You can just play and see. Instead of this current videos, we can insert our videos and make it play like this. So all other things will remain the same. This is like a template.